Assalamu alaikum. Now you have to calculate, this is your question number 5. Here calculate the current through the 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so here you have to calculate the current in 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so how many resistors are there? There are 3 resistors. This is 1 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and this is also 1 ohm. Okay, and this is your current I. This is your current I, and you have to calculate the current in this resistor. Okay, so what we will do, we will use a rule, current dividing rule. What is the current dividing rule? Current dividing rule is this: suppose there are 3 resistors, okay, or 4 or 5, any resistors. Okay, suppose there are 3 resistors, and this is current I, this is resistor R1, this is resistor R2, this is resistor R3, and you want to calculate I1 or I2 or I3. Okay, then what will be the value of I1, I2, I3 by using current dividing rule? So what is this? This is your current, because current is dividing in 3 parts, 1 2 3. Current dividing rule. Okay, so what will be the value of I1 here? I1 will be total current I multiplied by reciprocal of this resistor, means 1 divided by R, not R1, 1 divided by R1. Okay, so it will be 1 divided by R1, 1 divided by R2, 1 divided by R3. In the same way you can calculate I2 also. So I2 will be total current I, this is your total current I multiplied by 1 by divided by R2. Okay, because you need to calculate the current in 2, divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. In the same way you can calculate I3 also. So I3 will be I multiplied by 1 divided by R3 divided by 1 divided by R1, 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3. Okay, so according to this rule you can calculate the current through this 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so what will be the current? Suppose this is I1 current, this is I2 current, this is your I3 current. So we want to calculate the current in 2 ohm resistor. So this is 2 ohm resistor, so this is I2. So what will be the value of I2? I2 will be total current I multiplied by 1 by R2 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, so just put the value. So what is I here? I is 25. So it is 25 multiplied by 1 by R2. What is R2? It is 2. Okay, it is 2 divided by, what is this? 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1. It is also 1. Okay, now to solve this, this is 25 divided by 2. Okay, take LCM here 2. So it is 2 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, it will be cancelled out. So it is 25 divided by 5. So it will be 5. Okay, so I2 will be 5 ampere. Okay, so here you should understand the mathematics. Okay, how to solve this. You can use calculator also. Okay, in calculator first calculate this, then calculate this, then this, then this, add all these things. Okay, and solve by using calculator. Okay, so it will be your answer. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the value of current in any resistor, and all these resistors are connected in parallel here. So this is your current dividing rule. Okay, thank you very much.